Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and today I have a video showing how to make this cute little assist trophy from the Smash Ultimate video game. And if you're a noob like me or a button masher like me, then these items are amazing. So first we're going to make the little base. So I took some bronze clay and I rolled it out flat. Then using this glass dome that I have, I used it to make an imprint on the bronze clay, but I didn't press it in all the way. So now you have a nice circular indent, and I just used my blade to cut away a nice border around it. And we're going to repeat the steps for the gold clay, and we're going to roll it out super flat. We're going to use the dome to make another indent, but this time we're going to cut it in all the way so we can take away the excess clay. And then using my blade, I'm cutting out a little plus sign mark, which is the Smash Brothers logo. And I'm placing that in the middle of my little bronze base. Then we're going to make the assist figure, so I'm taking a ball of black clay and I'm flattening out slightly for the head. Then for the body, I'm taking another ball of black clay and rolling it into a fat cylinder shape and cutting off the excess and putting that on top of my head. For the legs, we're going to roll out another fat cylinder. And place those at the bottom of the body. And for the arms, we're going to take up the piece of black clay and roll into a teardrop shape. And place those at the side of the body. Then we're going to give it two large white dot eyes. And this is how they look like once baked according to instructions. Here we have the base and our little assist figure. For the next step, we're going to super glue the assist figure onto the base. And this is optional, but I decided to glaze my assist figure with some UV resin and a paintbrush. Next, I'm making some pink, purple, and red resin mixtures with some glitter, and this is to make that kind of galaxy-like background in the assist trophy. And we're going to use a little toothpick to kind of splatter on the different colors on one side of the glass dome and let that cure in the UV light. And this is how it looks like. It looks super messy, but don't worry, it's gonna be a cool background once we put it on our assist trophy. So now we just have to place the glass dome on top of our base, and it fits like this. And there we have our little assist trophy. And I really like how this turned out. I'm actually really proud of the effect, and I think this is probably one of the cuter creations I've made this year. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I've been playing Smash Ultimate for a while now, since it came out. I'm only about 50 characters unlocked, so I still have a good amount to go. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what characters you like playing with on Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. My favorite characters so far are the Wii Fit Trainer and Isabelle, and possibly Pichu. But let me know in the comment section what you guys like to play and how you like this video. Thank you for watching.